up, though? Mr. Slate checking in, man. It is May 19th, approximately, well, actually, it is 5:52 a.m. Central Time. So, what I'm going to do today is give y'all a little experience on what a trucker goes through. I'm going to go ahead and put enough fuel in to get me to my next cheapest destination, which is the cheapest on my route. So first portion is making sure your fuel is right, making sure you did your route planning, which way you're gonna go. You know, you want to have all that taken care of before you take it off and put it into your GPS. So that's what I'm doing now. No, I'm not at the shipper. So this is why you want to leave a little early when you do take off. I'm an hour away. I got to be there at 8. It's about 6:30 a.m. now, Central Time. Once I pulled from the fuel bay, went in to get me a little breakfast sandwich and went to pull off, and the regen alert came on, which is understandable. I've been sitting for like 2 days and it's hot. It gets like upwards to 98 to 100 degrees here, so truck's been sitting and running. So the regen, you got to do it. But that could go with anything. It could go with traffic. It could go, you know, you might miss your exit or your turn or anything, man. You know, might be construction that leads you to a whole different route. So you always want to overcompensate. Just like my fuel, it only said I needed 21 gallons on each side. I went ahead and put like 27 on each side, because you know you gotta overcompensate for certain things. You know what I mean? So I'll holler back when I get to the shipper. Gotta watch out here in Texas, man. Texas people, for some reason, I don't know what the deal is with them, but they do not like to let you in. Just like this guy right here. They see your blinker on, but they just like, fuck you, I guess. But you know, you're supposed to be the professional driver. If you rushing and playing chicken with these people, you mess around and sideswipe them or run into them or something, man, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna be at fault. Gotta get over at about 2 miles, but that ain't too much traffic, so. If it was like traffic, hella traffic, boy, I'd be in that left lane. I would be in that left lane, Jay. Say what you want. But ain't no traffic out here, so their stuff on the front of the building or anything, but luckily this one has it. So it's this left turn up in here. What time is it? 7:46. We're like 14 minutes early, which is good. I say anything from half hour on down. Sometimes like Walmart will have like service level agreements. If you don't know what that is, it's basically saying, hey, we're gonna pick the load up or we're gonna drop it off at this particular time, and you have to stick to that time no matter what. They got so much traffic, they gotta really schedule everything out. We pulling up. Got mama sipping on her orange juice. Hey baby, do I go up? This is a non-smoking. Do I pull on up? Pull on up? Here for pickup. All right, thank you. She's looking at me like she wants something. Better watch out. Ooh. That was close. Looking at me like you want something. But yeah, man, I went and checked in. So they take your paperwork, how you fill out all this shit, and then they take you in this room and they prick your thumb. Nah, I'm just bullshitting, but no, they had me fill out like a gang load of stuff, man, like stuff I didn't even freaking know. So now I'm just waiting, I guess, for a door to open up for me. It looks like I got my door, got my trailer doors open. Let's see if I can get this in one shebang bang. Get this in one shebang bang, baby. Like Trey Songz say, slow motion, baby, slow motion. Go slow motion, can't get it wrong. I ain't pulling up, Jack. No pull-ups. No pull-ups. Tap it, tap it. Be out. See, I did that in one smooth motion. Don't let me fool y'all. I don't do that shit all the time, man. though? Alright, it's 2:13 p.m. May 19th. So yeah, man, being on this third shift sleep schedule is getting to me. But yeah, man, this is it, man. We at the Loves. I'm in Texas, man. I'm right outside of Dallas. I'm pushing my whole clock out tomorrow, so that way when I shut down and wake up, I only have like 6 hours left, so I can drop that off, grab my other load, man, and bust out. But yeah, man, I'm finna shut it down, man. So this was that day, man. You know what I mean? Pretty much that's it, you know. I'll get into, you know, the landing gear and, you know, show y'all what I gotta do once I drop this off. So I'll be back. So I'll see y'all, what's today? Yeah, I'll see y'all Monday, early Monday morning, man, early. But yeah, man, y'all be easy. And remember, man, take your time out here. You know what I mean? Take your time. If you in a position to where you feeling sleepy, because usually I can push it on out, man. But 4 hours in the last 2 days, I think I chilled a little too hard on my little reset. And plus, on top of that, I was, you know, I was on the third shift schedule, man. I was ready to take off at 1 in the morning, and I had got a call basically telling me I can't pick the load up till 8. So, and I was an hour away, so that caused me, that messed me all up. But I mean, I'm pretty sure if I went in here and washed my face off, and I can still push it, but then that's still gonna keep me on a first shift schedule. So I'm gonna shut it down and get back on my third shift schedule, man, you know. Or I might just do an 8-2 split tomorrow, for tomorrow. 8-2 split, y'all, I don't know what that is. Hey, it's pretty much you shut down for 8 hours, and whatever you have left on your clock, you get that back, basically. So whatever you wake up after 8 hours, whatever hits back on your clock, you got that. Then you shut down for 2 hours, and then pretty much you get some more time back. So 8-2 split, I may do it, I may not. I mean, I may just go on ahead and get my rest, my full knockout, man. But if I wake up and I see I've been in my sleeper status, off-duty status for 7 hours, and I wake up and I'm feeling refreshed, I'm gonna take off in this motherfucker.